Hey, what's up, Siacoin holder? So this is an emergency video for all Siacoin holder because this is the end of this month. Just 2 days remaining, my friend, and a lot of holder tell me on Instagram to please tell us special make a video for this. To this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. What we do at this time. So first of all, my friend, this is live price prediction. Also, my friend, of Siacoin video a prediction. So therefore, kindly subscribe this channel before I get started this video. Subscribe this channel, press bell icon for all videos notification, and like this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up. This is very important. Okay, my friends, come to the point. This time you can see here, remember this change occur and negative. You can see here in the last 1 hour, 1-1.04% they fell us down. So remember this always, my friend. But you can see here half is falls down, but after this, my friend, fell, they starting up like a rocket. They moving up like a rocket. So definitely it's good time for Siacoin, my friend, to they starting moving up again. Okay, let's see, my friend, the last 7 days charts. So open it and then video prediction, my friend, to upcoming days they moving up or they fell us down. What we do? Okay, so here if you can see here, my friend, they first of all I want to draw a highest point. They touch the highest point, and the second I draw the lowest point, my friend. You can see here, and the third, my friend, I draw a resistance line. So definitely, my friend, you can see here after a very high jump they falls down. You can see here, and they're moving at this circulation. So therefore they cannot cross the resistance line, my friend. And there, and then you can see here the chain occur as minus 8.9% falls down. So very bad fall, my friend, but after that they take a very jump. So this is good news for every Siacoin holder, my friend. So Siacoin holder is moving at this circulation, my friend, to after a big jump, my friend, they falls down. You can see here. So this is proof. And after a very bad fall, my friends, they take a very high jump. So this is also proof, my friend. So it's mean, my friend, to upcoming days moving up like a rocket. But it's, you can see here, this is just last to, my friend, 7 days chart. But I hope in upcoming days they moving up like a rocket. This is the end of this month, my friend. Just 2 days remaining more. Please, therefore, I request you, my friends, to them moving up. The price is also increasing now. So please hold it. Don't sell it and wait just 2 days. And after that, my friend, if you this is your decision to you sell it, you hold it or buy it. But this is my opinion, my friends, to please hold it and wait for the end of this month. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for more latest news and updates. Allah Hafiz. Take care.